Want to try a quick genetic test using just your hands? Hold your arm out in front of you, try to bend your thumb backward toward your wrist. If it bends at a sharp angle, you have what's called hitchhiker's thumb. If it stays straight, that's completely normal too. This tiny difference comes from the way your joints formed based on your DNA. And here's another one. Try rolling your tongue into a tube. Some people can do it instantly, while others can't, no matter how hard they try. For years, people thought this was controlled by a single gene. But scientists now know it's a bit more complex, involving multiple genetic factors. You can also check your earlobes. Look in a mirror. Are they attached directly to your head or do they hang freely? That's another inherited trait passed down from your parents. None of these make you a mutant or give you superpowers. But they're visible examples of how small genetic variations show up in your body. These traits don't affect your health, they just show how your genes express themselves during development. So if your thumb bends, your tongue rolls, and your earlobes hang, congratulations. You've just done a mini genetics experiment on yourself.